Ready to ditch scattered emails and endless meeting threads and finally master seamless teamwork with Perspective Echo? First, head to Perspective Echo and create your free account. Once you're in, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface. Let's start with creating a new document. Click on the New button on the top left corner and name it. Now, the real magic begins. Start typing. Perspective Echo offers real-time collaborative editing, so multiple people can work on the same document simultaneously. To invite collaborators, click the Share button in the top right corner. You can either send them a direct link or invite them via email. Control permissions. Choose if collaborators can edit, comment, or just view the document. Need to discuss something? Perspective Echo's built-in video conferencing is a game changer. Simply click the video call icon to start a meeting right within the document. Use comments to provide feedback or ask questions directly within the document. Select the text you want to comment on, and then click the comment icon. Tag team members for faster communication. Organize your documents by creating folders. Simply right-click in the Documents list, select New Folder, and drag and drop your files. And there you have it. Perspective Echo isn't just a document editor. It's your all-in-one hub for team collaboration.